Travel to the best states and cities to place a tiny home. Planning on moving and also planning on a vacation. Merge both and make a vocation. Moving and vacation equals to mocation. If you're dreaming of a simpler, more sustainable lifestyle, then tiny home living might be just the thing for you. With the rising popularity of minimalistic living, it's no wonder that people are opting for tiny homes as their cozy and compact abodes. But where are the best states and cities to place your tiny home? Let's explore some top destinations that offer not only stunning landscapes, but also a welcoming community for tiny home enthusiasts. Where to buy and place your dream tiny home, a comprehensive guide. Exploring the tiny home movement. The tiny home movement has gained significant attention in recent years as a response to the growing desire for minimalist living and downsizing. With the rising costs of housing and a shift towards sustainable living, many individuals are embracing the concept of tiny homes or small houses. Tiny homes are typically defined as dwellings with a minimal footprint, often ranging from 100 to 400 square feet. These compact spaces are designed to maximize functionality and efficiency while minimizing environmental impact. The movement promotes the idea that one can live comfortably with less, focusing on quality over quantity. Advocates of the tiny home movement cite various benefits, including reduced expenses, lower energy consumption, and greater freedom from material possessions. By downsizing their living space, individuals can save money on both construction and ongoing maintenance costs. Additionally, tiny homes require less energy for heating and cooling due to their smaller size. Beyond financial considerations, the movement also appeals to those seeking a simpler lifestyle. Living in a tiny home encourages individuals to declutter their lives and prioritize experiences over material possessions. It allows for more intentional living by forcing residents to carefully consider what they truly need versus what is merely excess. The tiny home movement has inspired countless innovative designs that maximize space utilization without sacrificing comfort or aesthetics. From clever storage solutions to multi-purpose furniture, these small houses showcase creative ways to make every square inch count. While not without its challenges, such as zoning regulations and limited space, the tiny home movement continues to grow in popularity as people seek alternative housing options that align with their values of sustainability and mindful consumption. In this section, we will explore the various aspects of the tiny home movement. Its origins, design principles, environmental impact, lifestyle considerations, and inspiring stories from those who have embraced this unique way of living. Finding the perfect tiny home retailer. When it comes to finding the perfect tiny home retailer or builder, the search can be both exciting and overwhelming. Consider factors such as quality craftsmanship, customer reviews, and the ability to customize floor plans and finishes. Number 1. Research and compare tiny home retailers. When embarking on the journey to find the perfect tiny home, it's essential to conduct thorough research and compare different tiny home retailers in the market. Start by exploring the vast world of the tiny home market and identifying the top-rated tiny home retailers. Look for retailers with a strong reputation and positive customer reviews, as this indicates their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Additionally, compare pricing among different retailers to ensure you are getting the best value for your investment. By taking the time to research and compare, you can make an informed decision and find a reliable and reputable tiny home retailer that will help bring your tiny home dreams to life. 2. Consider your budget and financing options. When considering buying a tiny house, it's important to take your budget into account and explore different financing options. The good news is that there are affordable tiny homes available that cater to various budgets. Start by assessing your financial situation and determining how much you can comfortably spend on a tiny home. Next, research different financing options, such as loans specifically tailored for tiny homes. These loans can provide you with the necessary funds to make your tiny house purchase a reality. By considering your budget and exploring financing options without breaking the bank. Number 3. Assessing quality and craftsmanship of tiny homes is crucial to ensure that you're making a wise investment. Look for tiny homes built with durable materials that can withstand the test of time in various weather conditions. High-quality materials not only contribute to the longevity of the structure but also reduce the need for frequent repairs and maintenance. It's also important to familiarize yourself with the construction standards in the tiny home industry. Research the building codes and regulations that apply to tiny homes in your area. This will help you understand the minimum requirements for safety and quality. Additionally, consider looking for tiny home builders who adhere to industry standards and have a proven track record of producing well-built structures. By prioritizing quality and craftsmanship, you can ensure that your tiny home will be a comfortable and reliable living space for years to come. Finding the perfect location for your tiny home, and the legal considerations of placing a tiny home. Finding the perfect location for your tiny home involves considering various factors, including tiny home placement regulations and zoning laws. These regulations and laws vary from place to place, so it's important to research and understand the specific rules in your desired location. Tiny home placement regulations may dictate where you can park or place your tiny home. Whether it's on a private property, in a tiny home community, or as an accessory dwelling unit, ADU, on an existing property. Zoning laws are another important consideration. They determine the types of structures allowed in different areas and can impact where you can legally place your tiny home. Some areas have specific zoning codes for tiny homes, while others may have more flexible regulations. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with these laws to ensure you comply with local regulations. In your search for the perfect location, consider areas that have already embraced tiny homes, such as tiny home communities or areas with lenient zoning laws. Additionally, consult with local authorities or seek legal advice to understand the specific regulations and requirements in your desired location. By understanding and adhering to tiny home placement regulations and zoning laws, you can find a location that suits your needs and enjoy your tiny home in a legal and hassle-free manner. Urban or rural setting, which fits your lifestyle? If you like this video so far, please like and subscribe to help me grow my channel. Thank you. Deciding between an urban or rural setting for your tiny home involves considering your lifestyle preferences and the unique benefits of each location. Urban areas offer a vibrant and bustling environment with access to a wide range of amenities, including restaurants, shops, cultural events, and job opportunities. Living in an urban setting can provide convenience and a sense of community, with neighbors and like-minded individuals nearby. However, it's important to note that finding suitable space for a tiny home in densely populated urban areas may be more challenging, due to limited available land and stricter zoning regulations. On the other hand, rural areas offer a quieter and more serene setting, surrounded by nature and open spaces. Living in a rural setting can provide a sense of peace and tranquility, along with the opportunity to engage in outdoor activities like gardening or hiking. Additionally, finding suitable land for a tiny home may be easier in rural areas due to fewer zoning restrictions and larger plot sizes. Consider your lifestyle preferences and what you value most in a living environment. If you enjoy the hustle and bustle of city life, with easy access to amenities and a vibrant social scene, an urban setting might be the right choice for you. However, if you crave a slower pace of life, closer connection to nature, and more space to spread out, a rural setting could be a better fit. Ultimately, the decision between an urban or rural setting for your tiny home depends on your individual needs, aspirations, and what makes you feel most at home. Renting land versus owning land for placement of your tiny home. When considering the placement of your tiny home, you have the option of either renting land or owning it outright. Renting land in a tiny home community can offer a convenient and affordable solution, with the added benefit of shared amenities and a built-in community of like-minded individuals. This option allows for flexibility, as you can easily move your tiny home if desired. On the other hand, purchasing land for your tiny home provides stability and the freedom to customize your own space. It offers the potential for long-term investment and the ability to create a personalized home base. Ultimately, the decision between renting or owning land for your tiny home placement depends on your financial situation, long-term goals, and personal preferences. The legal considerations of placing a tiny home. Placing a tiny home involves important legal considerations that vary by state, country, and local jurisdiction. It's crucial to research and understand the specific regulations governing tiny homes in your desired location. Some areas have specific zoning laws that dictate where and how tiny homes can be placed, while others may require certain permits or certifications. Additionally, building codes and safety standards may differ for tiny homes compared to traditional houses. It is important to consult local authorities, such as planning departments or building code offices, to ensure compliance with all relevant regulations. By taking the time to navigate the legal landscape, you can ensure a smooth and hassle-free placement of your tiny home, allowing you to enjoy your living space with peace of mind. Making your dream of tiny home ownership a reality. This lists the states and cities where you can buy land to place a tiny home. The possibilities are endless when it comes to finding the perfect place to buy and place your tiny home. Here are just a few states and cities across the United States where you can explore the potential. Number 1. Portland, Oregon. Known for its progressive mindset and tiny home-friendly regulations, Portland offers a vibrant community for tiny home enthusiasts. Number 2. Austin, Texas. With its eclectic vibe and booming housing market, Austin has embraced the tiny home movement, making it a great city to consider. Number 3. Asheville, North Carolina. Nestled in the beautiful Blue Ridge Mountains, Asheville is known for its artsy and sustainable lifestyle, making it a popular spot for tiny home living. This charming city deserves a second mention, as it continues to be a top choice for tiny home enthusiasts due to its progressive mindset and stunning natural surroundings. Number 4. Seattle, Washington. The Pacific Northwest is a hotbed for tiny home enthusiasts, and Seattle's forward-thinking attitude and strong tiny home community make it an excellent choice. Number 5. Denver, Colorado. With its stunning natural surroundings and a growing interest in sustainable living, Denver has become a hub for the tiny home movement. Number 6. San Francisco, California. Despite its high cost of living, San Francisco has seen an increase in tiny home communities and innovative solutions to affordable housing. Number 7. Kansas City, Missouri. This Midwestern city has embraced the tiny home trend, offering affordable land and a supportive community for tiny home enthusiasts. Number 8. Boulder, Colorado. Known for its outdoor lifestyle and environmentally conscious community, Boulder offers a welcoming environment for tiny home living. Number 9. Nashville, Tennessee. With its thriving music scene and growing interest in alternative housing, Nashville has become a popular city for tiny home enthusiasts. Number 10. Savannah, Georgia. This charming southern city has seen a rise in tiny home communities, offering a unique blend of history and small living. Number 11. Minneapolis, Minnesota. Known for its strong sense of community and progressive mindset, Minneapolis has embraced the tiny home movement, making it a great choice for tiny home living. Number 12. Portland, Maine. Located in the picturesque state of Maine, Portland has a thriving tiny home community and a strong focus on sustainability. Number 13. San Diego, California. With its beautiful weather and laid-back lifestyle, San Diego has become a desirable location for tiny home enthusiasts. Number 14. Burlington, Vermont. Nestled in the stunning Green Mountains, Burlington offers a cozy and environmentally conscious community for tiny home living. Number 15. New Orleans, Louisiana. Known for its vibrant culture and unique architecture, New Orleans has seen an increase in tiny home communities, adding to its diverse housing options. Number 16. Salt Lake City, Utah. With its proximity to outdoor recreational activities and a growing interest in alternative housing, Salt Lake City has become a popular destination for tiny home living. Remember to research local regulations and zoning requirements before purchasing land or placing your tiny home in any of these locations. Happy tiny home hunting? If you liked this video and would like to see more, then subscribe and make sure to like. Thank you.